I think the what has changed, I would want to bring in technology as well. What has changed for the positive, I'd like to concentrate on the positive is now I am able to reach through teleconsultation, through video calling, through WhatsApp calling to patients who actually are bedridden. So they are not going to be able to come to the hospital, unfortunately. And a lot of patients have been having dementia as well. So they have been suffering during this time. So a lot of my patients who have got calls actually have been people who have memory problems. People are not able to take care of them. So the caretakers obviously want to sort of get to know what can be done. So this reaching out couldn't be done in normal times. Purely it could have been done. Of course, we were always trying to be innovative earlier as well, because video was the only way I could have seen them, or it has to be a home visit, which might not be possible immediately. But now what is happening is at least that can be addressed. So the problems that has happened is both physical and mental both. I have seen people not concentrating on their comorbidities because they feel mentally so down. They are not been meeting their family, and it's both ways. Even the caretakers are frustrated that they are caring, but they are not able to sort of meet them in person. They are worried all the time whether they are okay or not okay. So a lot of counseling has also been sort of involved. So the mental health issues which were not there before, for example, if somebody never thought कि हमें कुछ मानसिक problem था, so that has come out. People have actually uh, symptoms have come out of depression, anxiety, which could be purely because of frustration of the period. With, if you see the negative part, it's like never ending. But the positive part is we are being able to reach out to such people. And as far as the memory part is concerned, of course, I would like to highlight that September is also the Alzheimer's Awareness Month. So, and 21st September is usually the Alzheimer Awareness Day, the World Alzheimer's Day. So, what we need to do is always see that through technology and health, that we have to be able to reach to people who cannot take help themselves. So that is what Corona or this area has taught us, that we can actually explore ways in which we can get to people, like monitoring, home health monitoring. If you have to come purely to that, use gadgets. People who have been, I mean, I'm getting calls through NRIs. They're like, I just, my parents are okay, but I want to make sure that they are secure. So how do we do that? So health monitoring through a lot of gadgets, where remote monitoring has sort of come in a very big way. जहाँ पे blood pressure देख सकते हैं, sugar monitoring हो सकता है, SpO2, which is coming a lot because Corona has a direct link to the lungs. SpO2 monitoring is there, then blood pressure, sugar. So all these heart rate monitoring is there. So fit people also want to sort of make sure that they are okay. Then another thing I've seen during this time is the fit elderly getting frustrated, बिकॉज हुआ क्या है कि हमको कुछ नहीं है पर हम बाहर नहीं जा सकते, क्योंकि एक डायरेक्टिव ऐसा कह रहा है कि हमें बाहर नहीं जाना चाहिए. And there have also been cases that people who have not gone out have also got corona. So it is nothing to be related. It's basically अगर होना है तो होगा, नहीं तो नहीं होगा. It's like that. So people have been asking, अरे मुझे कैसे हो गया? So that's not the point. The point is you are coming out of it. So I would like to highlight people, older people with comorbidities are coming out of the disease also. So do not think about things which are not in your hand. हो गया तो क्या? And when it comes, we are obviously there. We'll try to help you. So I think physical and mental issues have cropped up a lot during this time. And but as I always say, as a geriatrician, we should always see at every issue. For example, if a person has a financial issue also, that is pertaining very important, because if they are not able to afford any amount of care, they are going to be neglected, especially during this period. So
Can
that's why
I
we
get back to you?